Perhaps the easiest install ever. I had seen the Gorgius commercials for quite some time, and I was so pleasantly surprised to find out when I went to the site that there are several curly units to choose from. And I love this one that I've chosen with the bangs, and this, I just can't get my hands off of it. The hair is so incredibly soft. This length is so adorable. And look at that curl. And the beautiful thing for me is, as it gets older, to just thicken out a little bit more and get a little more volume on it. And that's something I really love. She is so adorable. So guys, I'll put the link to her in the description box, but I would greatly encourage you to go through the site and see all the beautiful things they have to offer and take advantage of their sales. I don't think you're going to regret it. This is absolutely, I mean, it's just no fuss. It's effortless, and it's just automatic style. And I could just see all the things you could do with this. I would love to see, because you know I'm a high-low girl. If I were to take her and pin her up like that, oh my goodness, I just adore her. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much. Have a very blessed day.